Hey, welcome to a new episode of The Naked Turner. Today I'm out here, just wanted to show you I'm getting ready for trying to make some new videos, and what I'm doing is cleaning out my entire space. Let me give you a little walkthrough here. I'm in the middle of it, so it's a work in progress. I picked up a carport tent and set that up right out in front of my garage, and that is allowing me to have a little bit more space and do some organization, which was much needed. I welded up this wood rack cart, and that's allowing me to get all my wood nicely and neatly organized and all in one place on wheels. Thanks for watching this quick little update, and hopefully soon I'll be back at it, turning some new things. I've got some new ideas and would like to experiment making some more furniture and other stuff. So hopefully with this kind of cleanup here, summer cleaning, I will be inspired to do some new types of work, think outside the box, and shoot some new videos with better content. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little update. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, and share.